Alright, Edwin here with another song using the chord buddy. If you don't know, this is a G, a D, a C, and an E minor. I have a pick on my finger because I cut my fingernail. Anyways, and I don't play with a pick, so I use my fingernail. So I had to take me a pick on there. We're going to do Long Black Train by Josh Turner. It's going to start out with a G, C, D. Your strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. It's going to be a G, a G, a G, a G, an E minor, a G, a G, a G, a G, a D, and then a G. And that's going to repeat for the second verse. The chorus is going to be a G, a G, a D, an E minor, a D, a C, and a G. And then an E minor, D, C, G. And then it's going to be a G, a D, and then a G. And I suck at singing, and if you watch videos online, they're going to tell you to go. I don't like doing that because I don't like the way it sounds, so I do. It's the same thing, sounds just as good. There's a long black train coming down the line, feeding on the souls that are lost and crying. Rails of sin, only evil remain. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Well, cling to the Father in His holy name. And don't go riding on that long black train. You can look to the heaven, you can look to the sky. You can find redemption staring back into your eyes. There's protection and peace all the same. Burn your ticket for that long black train. Because there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name. Anyways, I know I suck at singing, so let me give you the breakdown so that you can see. It's going to start out with a G, C, G. And after that, you're going to start with the words, there is a, and then start strumming. Down, down, up, down, up on your G. Long black train coming down the line, feeding on the souls that are E minor lost and G crying. Rails of sin, only evil remains. Watch out, brother, D, for that long black G train. The chorus, G, victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the D, Lord. E minor, cling to the D, Father, and His C, holy G name. Cling to the Father in His holy name. Don't go riding on that D, long black G train. Now, I hope that wasn't too complicated for you. I haven't had a chance to completely break it down yet. I just sort of put it together and off of some other videos that I saw. But anyways, it's Josh Turner, Long Black Train. My advice is, if you can't sing deep, find somebody else that can sing with you. Slow it down to a 2/4 pattern. You can speed it up to a 4/4. I've heard a bunch of different versions of it. And there's a long black train coming down the line, beating on the souls that are lost and crying. You know, it's not that type of a song. It's definitely a really slow slow song, deep voice, got that bass in there. Anyways, I hope y'all like it. Subscribe, tune in for what's coming up next, and check out in the description for all the stuff that you need. Send me a request, like, and share it with other people if you get a chance. I'm trying to get a bunch of subscribers, and I'm trying to, put videos out there for the Chord Buddy. And hopefully y'all like it. This is Edwin. This is the Chord Buddy. Y'all have a blessed day.